Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Coffee Chug and I'm here with the announcement of our next monthly Maker Challenge. Guys, this month is October, and so you know this is no surprise to you. You know what we're going to be doing, right? We're going to be having a focus around Halloween. But here's what I want you to think about when it comes to Halloween. I want it to make it applicable. I know many of you go out trick-or-treating. I know many of you either design or decorate Halloween props and things around your house or your apartment, wherever you live. And so that's what I want you to think about. For this month, I want us to make one of two things, or both things, really. I want you to design a prop or something to go along with your Halloween costume. So I know there's a lot of cool things you can buy at the store, but there's a great pleasure in making your own. And so you're going to see me design some things here very shortly throughout this month. I have a really, really awesome idea that I think you're really going to enjoy. And I'm just finishing out the final sketches on it to actually start to make it happen. So there's your first thing. Maybe it's something that you carry. Maybe it's part of your costume. Maybe it's a mask. You know, start thinking about paper mache and cardboard and paint and different types of plastic and bubble wrap, and oh man, that list can go on and on. The second thing could be, if you don't want to do something with your costume, is to think about a decoration piece. So we've done things in the past where we've used the Makey Makey to create a hot plate. So when someone steps on the welcome mat, you could have a witch mask or something light up and scream. It could be something that you can place inside your house. And so I'm going to share some really cool projects. One of my favorite projects that I do every year, where I carve tiny pumpkins and have a robotic mouth that opens and closes, and some other things. So I've got a lot of cool ideas. I'm looking at doing something with this old school mask that a friend gave me when they were clearing out a garage. This thing is old, it's cool, it's kind of creepy, and I'm going to make it awesome. And I also have in here something for my costume that I'm going to be designing. And so I've got some foam. I've got some cool things in here. I've got my paint. I got some paint brushes. I got my X-Acto knives. I got my paint to design. I'm looking pretty good for that. And I have a really cool idea for a prop using some PVC to recreate my own kind of animation creature. Kind of like what you see at Lowe's or Home Depot, all those big, huge, like witches and stuff that move and make noises. Let me see if I can make one. Alright guys, so there's your monthly Maker Challenge. As always, I want you to share what you create. We want to highlight it. We want to put it on the website. We want to acknowledge all the makers all over. And it's also this month that I'd like to introduce, we're going to have something really awesome coming along here. We're going to start to introduce the other component to making called compassion making. Thinking about empathy and designing for good to create a positive ripple in the world. So be on the lookout for that this month. But in the meantime, it's October 1st. Halloween is a few weeks away. We've got to get making. I'll see you later. Peace.